In 2016, a decision was made to commission a new memorial to Roger Casement to mark the centenary year of the uprising. As part of that process, a two-stage international competition was launched, and it was curated by Visual Artists Ireland. There was an expert jury assembled, the piece was selected, and it was by Mark Richards, who has subsequently worked over the last number of years refining and finally bringing this piece to fruition. Its location is important. It's here at the Dún Laoghaire Baths. He's facing back in towards the shore, but also its position here on the new jetty at the Dún Laoghaire Baths is a focal point along the coast, but also a focal point as you see the new jetty from the coastline.
Roger Casement's legacy has been debated and analysed for over 100 years, and no doubt will continue to do so. People will know of his involvement in 1916 and his execution in London. What intrigues me the most about him is his brave and methodical work to uncover human rights abuses in Africa and South America. And I think we still have a lot to learn today from the kind of work that he did.
This is such a wonderful time to be Cathaoirleach of Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown, and the excitement this morning bringing Roger Casement home and putting him here on the plinth. It really is a very, very special morning, and the excitement all of us feel. Welcome home, Roger Casement, as he looks from the sea to the mountains of Clúnga Sí, and it is just a wonderful moment.